Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit right in the middle and tap on this camera icon. So here we can either take a photo, so your device will immediately open the camera app, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose the photo from the gallery. And I think I will choose it from the gallery. All right, let me tap on it, let's choose something and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. So now in this step we can zoom in or out the photo and change the position of it, of course, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So just tap on the stick icon if you're happy with the results and tap on the stick icon again. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.